Effect of the solvent on Lewis basis. The solvation of base in a solvent also affects their strength. A particular solvent may solvated preferably a base and therefore may alter its strength. This may be illustrated by taking the example of amines in water. As we already discussed, the alkyl group has electron leaving inductive effect, and on the basis of it, the flowing order of their basic strength is expected. The tertiary amine that is expected the most basic, then secondary, and primary amine that is expected the least basic. However, it has been observed that tertiary amine are weaker base than primary amines, as shown by their pKb value in the tables. If alkyl group, that is methyl in case of amines, then secondary amine that is the most basic, then primary amine, and tertiary amine that is the least basic. Similarly, if alkyl group that is replaced with the ethyl group, then again secondary that will having the maximum basicity, then primary and tertiary amine that will having the least basicity. And if alkyl group that is replaced with propyl, then again secondary amine that will having the maximum basicity, then primary amine and tertiary amine having the least basic strength. So if alkyl group that is replaced with methyl, then this order is expected. If alkyl group that is replaced with ethyl, then this order is expected. And similarly, if alkyl that is replaced with propyl, then this order is expected according to its pKb value. As a first guess, the lower basicity of tertiary amines may be due to steric effect. However, when basic strength of these amines are compared in the gaseous state, it is observed that the basic strength regularly increased in this order. The tertiary amine that will having the maximum basic strength, then secondary, then primary, and in last ammonia. So this one is the order of basicity in the gaseous state. This trend is in agreement with the trend expected from inductive effect and indicate the absence of steric effect. This means that the lower basicity of tertiary amines may be due to some solvent effect. When amines are dissolved in water, they undergo hydration through hydrogen bondings. The basicity of all amines will be increased because the positive charge ammonium ion will be more extensively hydrated than uncharged amines. So let us see the hydration. In case of primary amines, it can be solvated by 3 water molecules with the formation of primary ammonium ion. Similarly, secondary amines, it is solvated by 2 water molecules and secondary ammonium ion that will get formed. Similarly, tertiary amines, it is solvated by only 1 water molecule and tertiary ammonium ion will get formed. The energy of hydration of ammonium ion decreases in this order. The primary ammonium ion that will having the maximum stability, then secondary and tertiary having the least stability. Thus, the tertiary ammonium ion is less solvated than secondary ammonium ion and which is less solvated than primary ammonium ion. So that tertiary amine have less tendency to form the ammonium ion and consequently they are less basic. As a consequence of combined effect of inductive effect of substituent and the extent of solvation of ion formed, the dialkylamines are strongest base among these different amines.